Hi, welcome to our grounding mat instruction video. Before you use the grounding mat for the first time, I would like to give you a few general tips and hints. For example, what you should do before the first use. I would like you to bring the grounding mat closer for better functionality. I'll also explain how you can test the grounding mat with a multimeter to really verify the functionality. Since you have skin contact with the grounding mat, I recommend wiping the mat with a damp cloth for hygiene reasons. Cleaning should be done on both sides. Then, let the grounding mat dry and air out in the fresh air for about 1 to 2 hours. Then, connect the ground cord to the mat and the other end to the outlet ground. If you were to check the conductivity of the mat with a multimeter in the same way as shown here, you would not get any results. But why is that? Because our grounding mat was modeled on naturally damp soil. A metal has a continuous conductivity, as you can clearly see here. Natural moist soil like this has no direct conductivity, and the multimeter will read 0, just like our grounding mat. Touching the ground creates a ground, as can be seen from the decreasing reading on the multimeter. The grounding mat has the same grounding properties and reduces the electrical body voltage from 12 to 4. So you can see that our mat has the same natural grounding properties as moist soil in nature, only without dirty hands. Use the grounding mat as a base on your workplace. As a grounding bed mat. Or as a foot mat. Wherever you prefer to be. Yes, those were the most important points to consider with the grounding mat. And now, I wish you a lot of fun grounding.